As I've said in another previous blog, do whatever you can to make the shots as good in camera as you can. It's so easy to put them into Lightroom or deal with it in Photoshop afterwards. But do you really want to be spending your time slaving away in Lightroom or Photoshop when actually you can get the pictures as close to perfect as you can in the camera? Invariably, for the sort of work that I'm doing, the environments don't change that much. So once I'm in a room, and let's say it's a conference or a corporate event, once it's underway and the lighting's set, things don't change much. So once you've got your settings once, you're probably not going to need to change them too much as you go. So spend a little bit of time making sure that the settings are right. Keep looking in the back of the camera and keep on those settings as you go around the shoot. Because if you've got to produce 5, 6, 7, 800 shots at the end of the day, and you're going to have to tinker with every single one in Lightroom or Photoshop, that is going to take a lifetime. Wouldn't it be great if you could export the images from the camera, pop them in and go, yeah, you know what, most of those are okay. I'll just do a blanket thing to make them all a bit brighter or adjust the color balance or whatever. And then off you go. Do whatever you can to make them right in camera.